Hello students, viewers, and subscribers. Here is another video about beams with support settlements. This time, the moments are generated by the moment distribution method. The original problem is in structural analysis 9.3 by the three moment equations, 10.3a by the slope deflection equations, and this time 11.3a by the moment distribution method. So we have support settlements as already indicated here. Fixed moment AB is due to the load at the left is negative WL square over 30. So negative 54 9 square over 30 minus side sway moment or moments due to support settlements negative 6 EI delta over L square. Negative 6 EI is 150,000. Delta is treated positive here because the rotation of chord AB is clockwise as shown in the figure. 10 minus 5 is 5 mm or 0.005 positive divided by L square 9 square. So due to the load negative 145.8, due to the support settlements negative 500 over 9, so we'll have negative 201.36 kilonewton meter. So that's it here. Then fixed moment BA due to the load positive at B, WL square over 20. Then side sway moment, negative 500 over 9, so 163.14 positive. Then fixed moment BC due to the load, negative 45.34 square over 7 square. Then due to support settlements, negative 6 EI 150,000. Delta is positive 3 again, 13 minus 10, clockwise rotation, 0.003 divided by 7 square. This is negative 2160 over 49, negative 2700 over 49, combining negative 99.18 kilonewton meter. Fixed moment CB due to the load positive 45 3 square 4 over 7 square. Then side sway moment negative 2700 over 49, so negative 22.04, which is this. Then fixed moment CD due to the load negative WL square over 12, negative 108, side sway moment negative 6 EI. Delta this time is treated negative. We have counterclockwise rotation. 13 minus 6, 7 mm or 0.007 treated negative over 6 square. So 175 minus 108, 67. Fixed moment DC, positive 108 due to the load. Then side sway moment 175 to 83. Then DE, due to the couple load, uh, moment B is 5 over L square, quantity 2L minus 3 times B. So 375 over 32 positive, so that means it is clockwise. Then minus 6 EI delta, which is treated negative. 6 minus 2 is 4 mm or treated 0.004 negative over L square 8 square. 56.25 plus 375 over 32, 67.97 positive. Then ED due to the couple load 150 moment A over L square quantity 2L minus 3A plus 56.25 due to side sway moment. So we have 105.47. Then the stiffness of AB, because far end A is free and the moment expected is 0, so we have to modify the stiffness 3/4 of 1 over L. 3/4 of 1 over 9 is 1 over 12. Interior span K 1 over L, 1 over 7. Interior span 1 over 6. Then the far end is fixed, therefore the stiffness is same as interior spans 1 over 8. So these are the distribution factors in purple red. Then 1 over 12 divided by 1 over 12 plus 1 over 7, make it negative. That's the technique, negative 7 over 19. So this is negative 12 over 19. 1 over 7 over 1 over 7 plus 1 over 6, then make negative, negative 6 over 13, negative 7 over 13. And the rest, you just compute. So fixed moment at the distribution factor at the fixed wall is 0. and you know that already. So we first distribute. So negative 201.36 times negative 1 is 201.36. Then we lock this finally because we know that the moment at A is 0. Then at B, quantity 163.14 minus 99.18 times negative 7 over 9 is 19 is negative 23.56. Then replace 7 by 12, so we have negative 40.40. Then here, quantity negative 22.07 plus 67 times negative 6 over 13. So you'll have negative 20.75. Replace 6 by 7, negative 24.21. Quantity 283 minus plus rather 67.97 times negative 4 over 7, negative 200.55. Replace 4 by 3, so negative 150.42. So this is fixed, so 105.47 times 0, so there's none. Next is carry over. There's no need to carry over half of negative 23.56 here because this is already locked and finalized. Half of 201.36, 100.68. Half of negative 20.75, negative 10.38. Half of negative 40.40, negative 20.2. Half of negative 200.55, negative 100.28. Half of negative 24.21, negative 12.10. Then half of none, so none. Half of negative 150.42, negative 75.21. Next, that's the first cycle. Let's proceed to the second cycle. I will explain up to the second cycle. The rest is the same. Then you do your part. So quantity 100.68 minus 10.38 times negative 7 over 19 is negative 32.27. Replace 7 by 12, so it is negative 57.03. Quantity negative 20.20 minus 100.28 times negative 6 over 13 is positive 55.61. Replace 6 by 7, you'll have 64.87. Then here, negative 12.10 times negative 4 over 7, negative 6, positive 6.91. Then replace 4 by 3, we have 5.19. Then here, none because the distribution factor is 0. Carry over, so there's no moment here, so none to be carried over here. Half of 55.61, that's 27.8. Half of negative 57.03, that's negative 28.52. Half of 6.91, 3.46. Half of 64.87, 32.44. Then half of nothing, nothing. Half of 5.19, 2.6. Then 27.8 times negative 7 over 19, negative 10.24. Replace 7 by 12, negative 17.56. Quantity negative 28.52 plus 3.46 times negative 6 over 13, 11.57. Replace 6 by 7, 13.49. 32.44 times negative 4 over 7, negative 18.54. Replace 4 by 3, negative 13.9. Then here, 2.6 times nothing, so 0. So I'll half of nothing, so nothing. Half of 11.7, 5.78. Half of negative 17.56, negative 8.78. Half of negative 18.54, 9.27. Half of 13.49, 6.74. Half of nothing, nothing. Half of negative 13.9, negative 6.95. So I'll stop here, up to here. Do your part. You have to verify these values generation because it is just a repeated cycle until such time that the distributed moment would be very negligible. Our agreement is when it is less than equal to 0.1, but I'll just stop here because I ran out of space. You can continue with this, but these results are very, very close to the results or moments from 9 structural analysis 9.3 and 10.3a. So you just compare these values with those values there, and you will notice that these are very, very close and therefore acceptable. So that's it for this video because it will lengthen the video.